Wow, 203,000 views, 38,000 views. I get like 12 views. That's probably because I suck at this. And I'm okay with that, right? So I'm not doing this for you. I'm not doing it for anybody other than my family looking back or us looking back and seeing what we did over this time. Because this is an unusual time in our lives. From where we were today to where we are now is completely different. I mean, completely different. Do I love living in the motor coach? I absolutely do. I love traveling. I love doing what we're doing, right? So I'm going to the 2024 RV Tampa show, the Super Show in Tampa. I'll be there on media day. I'm going to go through a bunch of these coaches and fifth wheels and travel trailers, right? So I'm going to look at this from a little bit different perspective than all these videos do. I really don't want to do a walkthrough. I don't really care about these walkthrough videos. They're the same thing. Everything has the same thing. So everything has a refrigerator. Everything has a shower, a bathroom, and you know, it's all the same stuff. Whether it's a travel trailer for $50,000 or it's a $2 million Prevo, it's all got the same stuff in it. It's just a little bit better stuff in the $2 million Prevo, and that's fine. I just don't. I need to see livability, right? So we're in the process or thinking about at some point we're going to buy a new coach or something. We're not sure yet. So my question is the livability of this when we're on the road, and we travel 5, 6, 7 months out of the year. Like we're on the road a lot. We work out of the coach. We live in the coach. Right now we're in Alabama, and this is our winter home, let's say. So I'm in the casita now. And we've got a beautiful outdoor kitchen and everything that you would want at a home we have, okay? But we're on the road a lot. So that changes everything. The outdoor kitchen's gone. The casita's gone. So we're relying completely on the motor coach. And is it livable? Yeah, obviously it is. But is it comfortable livable? Sometimes I would say no, sometimes I would say yes. I'm outside a lot, and of course I'm going to look at this from a man's point of view. Now, Wendy would look at it from a completely different point of view. I'm not Wendy, and last I checked, I was still a man. So I have to look at it from a man's point of view, which means the outside is very important to me. Look, we all travel, and we all love this lifestyle, I guess, and the whole point of it is being outside and being with nature or with friends or whatever at some of these campgrounds, because that's what it's all about. I mean, you know, why do you want to be stuck in this tiny little coach all the time when you've got this beautiful world to explore? At least that's my point of view. So I think the big thing is I'm going to look at the livability of travel trailers, fifth wheels, or coaches. And I kind of know what to look at because I've been living in it for two and some years. And on the road, things get a little haywire sometimes. So like the inside, I need to know if the chairs are comfortable. I mean, that is such a big thing. You don't even know how big that is. I'm 6'1", and the chair that I sit in when we're on the road, my God, is it uncomfortable. And that's something we're going to have to change at some point. Hopefully soon before we get back on the road this year. Another thing is a driver's area with coaches. Is everything kind of ergonomically designed where I can reach it? Because a lot of times I can't reach a lot of the stuff I need to reach while we're on the road. And, you know, driving a 40-some foot motor coach down the road, pulling a Jeep, you kind of want to make sure you're on point and you know where you are and where you stand with everything in the coach and around you while you're driving. So I got to look at that. I got to look at the comfortable chairs. If it's comfortable, I don't care about the kitchen. We never cook inside. The refrigerator, you know, they all have the same stuff. The bathroom, can you poop in the bathroom? Like, does the bathroom have any room in it at all? Like that mid bathroom most times is very small. Shower, can you take a shower? You know, I'm a big guy, so some of these showers are really small. And it's okay for like a weekend where if you go away and you're just taking a weekend, you can live with it and not worry about it, right? But if you're living in it, you know, that's a whole different ball game. And that's really where I'm going to look at just the livability. The inside, that's pretty much all I'm looking at. The outside, I want to know about the connections. So how easy is it to access my connections? The sewer, is it macerator? Is it just regular sewer pipe? The water hookup. There's a lot of things that go into living in a coach or living in an RV that you kind of really want to know before you get going what you're going to be dealing with. Automatic levelers. Is there a TV outside? Is there a stereo outside? Is there a refrigerator outside? Does it have plenty of room for all my cooking stuff? Because I set up an outdoor kitchen everywhere we go. Blackstone, all kinds of stuff. Like, is it livable? The awning, does the awning cover enough to where I'm getting some protection from the sun? So those are the things I'm going to look at instead of just doing the boring same old walkthrough videos. Now, in looking at some of these views, maybe I should be, 464,000 views with Andrew Steele. And look, we all love Andrew Steele, and he looks at things that, quite frankly, most of us can't even imagine. So I get the appeal of Newells and Prevosts and things like that, because it's not something you see every day. All the other stuff is just crap you see every day. And I don't know, it's just boring to me at this point. It really is boring to me at this point. So our coach, talking about Andrew Steele, our coach is almost identical to these Newells and Prevosts. It's just the stuff isn't as nice as the stuff in those. So, if there's something you want me to look at, let me know, and I will be happy to write it on my list. But you pretty much have the list that I'm looking at now. And I'm just going there, really kind of shopping for myself on what maybe we go to next. But once again, if there's something you want me to look at, just let me know, and I'll be happy to add that onto my list of what I'm looking at going into this. So that's really all I have. I look forward to getting this out and getting it done and kind of going from there. 2020. So yeah, that's the show I'm going to right there. Don't miss out. That 2024 Tampa show. It is a big show. If you've ever been there, it's a huge show. It's actually a really good show too. There's a lot of stuff there. Pretty much everything you could imagine. So that's all I got. I'll see you then. I'll be going all next week, so I'll be shooting remote. And all right, go lay down. Go lay down. It's almost impossible to get anything done with you in this room. Go lay down. Come on. Go lay down. You can do it. You can do it. No. Oh, you got hair all over everything. Oh, look, go. It's okay. It's all right. For a homeless dumpster cat, this cat sure doesn't need a lot of attention. All right, go lay down. Come on. Okay. Hair stuck to everything now. No, don't walk on the computer. Don't walk on the... No. All right.